chest cushion. So the pregnancy cushion would go like this.
Okay.
Or for women with large breasts. So then you take it out of the bag here, and then that sits there, and now it's been a while since I've set it up, so just pick it up sort of by the face piece, and these lock into place. There's this lock over here on this side here.
Oh, okay.
And then right over here, there's this lock that actually you can position this face cradle the way you want it, and then lock it down here. And then face cradle will raise up farther as well. So let's sort of leave that there. Cushion crooked. And so then this gets tightened here. These get tightened here. This is the trick that I forgot in terms of, I had it out recently and I couldn't remember how to.
Oh, okay.
So when you close it, you do this.
I see.
So let me grab this cushion here.
Okay.
So there you have. And let's see, what I want to do is bring this back a little bit here, like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then this, I'm going to push forward and lift up a little bit higher. And then you have this, which is, there's a little thing you see right here. There's a little tab that you push down here, and these little pins move out so that you can raise up the armrest,
And now it's fully up.
Yes, and of course with every person that sits in it, you're going to have to
Adjust it to them.
But it looks tricky right now, but it becomes really easy once you do it for a while. So
Okay.
So now let's take it down. That's sort of the first thing you do, and then you'll loosen the headrest, take off the chest cushion, and that's where all the sort of model and stuff,
Information.
number come from. So then that comes like that. Push that out of the way. And that opens up, and so we're gonna kind of let this come down. So that's, there's actually a couple of ways to set this up, but they don't really show it to you on the instruction sheet.
Instructions. Okay.
So, but then now that we've taken that down, then this basically, oops.
Okay, now fit right in there. Okay.
Oh, I got it in backwards though. Because this rod leg here goes in this end.
Oh, okay.
And then let's see. So figuring out a new way to make this stay, which is good. Because the instructions only give you, okay, here we go. So the instructions only give you a portion of.
A portion of it.
Yeah, they don't show you what to do with these other two cushions.
When you're packing it.
Right. And now I don't remember how to put it back together. So, and this cushion goes on here, and I think we can just take this off the face cradle. And there it is.
All right. Perfect. Okay.